Hello bachon, let's see the question here. Match column 1, that is atomic number of elements, with column 2, which is position of element in periodic table, and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Column 1, 19, 22, 32, 64. Column 2, P block, F block, D block, S block. Here we will start our solution with key concept. So here, as we know, first two groups, they are S block here. Then we have 10 groups which are D block in this case. And next here we have 6 groups which are P block elements. We have F block elements जिसमें एक होती है lanthanide series which is from atomic number 57 to 71 and second होती है actinoid series that is from atomic number 89 to 103. और यहाँ पे ये जो D ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट्स है इसका जो फर्स्ट पीरियड होगा जहां से ये स्टार्ट करता है इसमें दिस इज फ्रॉम एटॉमिक नंबर 21 to 30 हियर. सो दिस मीन्स कि यहाँ पर हमें बोला गया है एटॉमिक नंबर 19. सो फॉर एटॉमिक नंबर 19 वी नो दैट अगर यदि 21 स्टार्ट होता है डी ब्लॉक से सो 20 एंड 19 will belong to first group, that is it will be a part of S block elements. Next we have 22. So 22 here, this will belong to D block के elements 21 से 30 तक होते हैं. So this will belong to second group here out of all the D block elements. So which will be, यहाँ पर 2 ग्रुप्स S ब्लॉक के हैं और उसके बाद 10 ग्रुप्स D ब्लॉक के हैं. So that means this will belong to fourth group and it is a part of D block element. Next we have 32. So यहाँ पे 21 से 30 D block के elements है. So 32 this will be a part of P block element and यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 2 plus 10 12 13 and 14th. So this will be a part of 14th group and it will belong to P block. Finally हमारे पास क्या है 64. So as we can see here that lanthanide series, its atomic number is from 57 to 71. So that is this belong to lanthanide series, that is F block element. Hence in this case A, this matches with S of column 2, B matches with R of column 2, C matches with P of column 2 and D matches with Q of column 2. This is the correct order. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.